everyone. Happy Halloween. It's Baby Yoda here from The Mandalorian. Just kidding. It's Cara, your favorite Pescavini vegan, and today we're going to make one of two special Halloween dishes. This is going to be a dessert. It is a chocolate chip cheese ball. Of course, we're going to make it vegan and gluten-free, and I got it from the All Recipes Dinner Spinner app. So let me take this off so you can hear me. This is what we're doing today. So this is the dessert. I'm gonna use my Williams-Sonoma Yoda spatula. My dog's over here because he can see people outside. No, not right now. We're making dinner, making a dessert. All right, so the first ingredient we need is 1 8-ounce package cream cheese softened. So since this is vegan, we're gonna use our VioLife cream cheese. It is vegan cream cheese from VioLife. Actually, I probably could just do this. See, not hard. Just squeeze the package a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely soft. I like to get my hands messy in this kind of stuff. All right, then it says we need a 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 whole stick softened. This is the Country Crock plant-based butter. It is soft. All right, next we need, well, let me see what I'm supposed to do first. In a medium bowl, beat together cream cheese and butter. So I gotta beat those together first. Until smooth, it says. Got my trusty mixer here. I turn it on, that's always helpful. I gotta beat these two things together until smooth. Looks pretty good to me. Use our little Yoda here to get off any extra off the beaters or the sides of the bowl. Get in the bowl. Everybody in the bowl. Everybody together now. All right. Now it says mix in the confectioner sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla. So we need 3/4 cup of confectioner sugar. Using just a good old Imperial. And what's another name for confectioner sugar? Bueller. Powdered sugar. 3/4 cup. Thank you, Imperial. It's kind of funny, it's Imperial sugar here in front of the Imperial Guard. Darth Vader himself. All right, so 3/4 cup confectioner sugar. Then we need the brown sugar, which is 2 tablespoons. I use this one. It's organic coconut palm sugar. It is a delightfully unrefined brown sugar. So we need 2 tablespoons of this. I love that it comes in a resealable bag. 1, 2, and what's next? 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Get my 1/4 teaspoon to go in there. Says, and vanilla. So we're gonna mix that in. Then we stir in the chocolate chips. All right. Everybody in the bowl. Let's mix you up. When you got a lot of powdery stuff like this, don't turn it on high. Word to the wise. And you won't see me in these recipe videos baking a lot. It's not my thing. You've heard me say before, I don't like messes, and I feel like baking is just one huge mess. So you just won't see me do it a lot. At least when I do it. But I guess this isn't baking. This is sort of mixing stuff together. So hopefully it works out. All right, that's good enough. I like to do this to clean off the beaters. Now, what does it say? Stir in chocolate chips, cover and chill in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Okay. So, how much chocolate chips? We need 3/4 of a cup miniature semi-sweet chocolate chips. Look what I've got here. Enjoy life. Mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. These are vegan, gluten-free, allergy-free chocolate chips. So we need 3/4 of a cup of these lovely miniature chocolate chips. Use our 3/4 of a cup measure here. That's exactly what I had. Perfect. Oh, I feel like there's another one in there. I can feel it. I can feel it. There we go. All right, we're gonna mix these. We're gonna stir these in, like it said. We're not gonna mix it because it's makes a weird noise when you try to mix hard stuff with one of these beaters. It's just loud. I don't like it. All right, so let's mix this all in together. Oh, look at the little chocolate chips. They're so cute. I'm going to show it to you in just a second. Just got to make sure to get everything mixed together. Oh, I almost forgot. We're going to make this in the shape of a pumpkin, so we've got to make it orange first. So, we've got everything mixed together. Now I'm going to change the color. All right, according to my assorted McCormick dye, food color dye, if I want white icing, I'm saying that's roughly the size of white icing, to be orange, I need 12 yellow and 4 red. So I've got my yellow and red dyes here. Start with yellow, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 yellow, 4 red. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's mix that together and see the color. And if we want it darker, then I'll add some more to it. Oh, no, it looks like it's gonna be a good orange. You can see. Ooh, it's turning orange. I'd say that's a pretty good orange. I don't think we need to add anything else. Way to go, McCormick. That was good consistency there. Get everything off the side of the bowl. Get it all into as close of a ball shape as I can before we chill it, just because I know when I get it out, I'm gonna have to chill it for another hour after I shape it. So just trying to make it easier on myself. All right, so there's our orange. It's gonna be a pumpkin chocolate chip cream cheese bowl. Now it's going into the fridge to chill for 2 hours. I have to cover it, and it's gonna chill for 2 hours. Okay, so I took the chocolate chip cheese ball out of the fridge after it had chilled for 2 hours, put it on a layer of plastic over the foil that I'd used to cover it while it was in the fridge in the bowl. And then I have shaped it. It says make it into a ball, but we're not gonna do a ball, we're gonna do a pumpkin. So I'm shaping it into a pumpkin. And when it's completely chilled out, which it has to chill for 1 more hour in the fridge, once it's completely done, I'll put a little spinach leaf up here for the pumpkin leaf. But we have to get it all in the shape we want it. Then I'm gonna cover it with the plastic. And then the foil. And it's gonna chill in the fridge for 1 more hour. Then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, it is time. The pumpkin is chilled for another hour. Well, the chocolate chip cheese ball has chilled for another hour that I made into a pumpkin. I've put a spinach leaf up at the top for the pumpkin, but I decided to make it into a jack-o'-lantern. So I got some Enjoy Life vegan dark chocolate morsels that are bigger than the miniature ones that are in the chocolate chip cheese ball. And I'm going to use them to make a jack-o'-lantern. And I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm making 2 triangles for eyes here, and I'm filling it in with the chocolate chips. Well, vegan chocolate chips. There's one eye. It's so much fun. I used a knife to just kind of score into the cheese ball to make it look like the lines on a pumpkin. And so now I'm using the chocolate chips here to make the jack-o'-lantern eyes. That's funny, one of my eyes is bigger than the other eye. Let's see to make this one bigger. One more over here. Okay, now he needs a mouth. I'm doing like a Charlie Brown type design for the mouth. The bottom of Charlie Brown's shirt. That's what I'm going for here. It kind of is like a zigzag pattern. And that's actually really cute. I think I'll just leave it like that. Oh, he doesn't have a nose. There. Okay, now I'm going to show it to you. There he is. It's my chocolate chip cream cheese bowl. Totally vegan, including the chocolate chips that I made into a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween dessert. Obviously, at Christmas, you could make this and make it into a tree or an ornament or a candy cane. Just use your food coloring and make whatever you like. I hope you guys give it a try. It's really good, really sweet, really creamy. It's a great dessert.